left that alone. That cat me name, brother, and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That not go happen. That will never happen.
Wagwan.
Yeah, now that you job for biscuit.
No, sir, one cashew.
So cashew.
Mm-hmm.
Boy,
That's a
foreigner go
sandwich.
and good with you for true, boy. Cause you all in a house there. And you in a chain save you like a road. It's a
Yeah.
big chain around the kind of yard you there.
I know they have to dress up.
In a yard they have to fully dress.
When I go road, you can't dress up. You have to dress the way down when I go road.
Mm-hmm. So you and them.
You have to time I kick the ball again, you know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. They have to do stuff.
But I'm pure long time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Test the fee with that guy with a normal there, you know?
So it a work for you.
I don't know. You
So
put
what
it
me I
on.
say, name what they give them. And like them you know what the name what they give them directly is a for the weather, right? It's directly a weather
Mm-hmm.
wear. You
Thermal wear. Thermal the name.
eh?
Thermal the name.
But it's a weather wear, right? So me I
Yeah.
say, you buying this for the weather, it a work?
I don't know yet. I'm not put it on.
Oh. When you put it on, me know if them a work, brother. Cause yeah, some people are selling something nowadays, brother. It come like a joke, you know. I go all two of them long john they have
Mm-hmm.
to put on one time, you know.
I don't have no long time.
A long time you get.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
No long time, man.
Uh,
No, wear it.
you say, yeah, get the long time for put it on and now want put it on.
Yeah, I'm not put on it.
You for weary, man.
No, when you go check on the weather.
Mm. Oh, outdoor you're not going night.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So what kind of proof them they have so that's them can keep off coal off of you?
Yeah, car. But let me see that. Just up in them. I say them I want me.
Them a warn you.
So them say. But you know me not take warning, you know.
Mm-hmm. But you have to go, you have to go end up weary because you're not going to see your friend them out the road in a long john and no put on it.
You know, wear with them, I wear, brother. So I'm tell you something, get something different.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So my long palm them you get.
Yeah, cause me not plan to follow no man.
No make sense.
You understand?
No, they will lead you
No.
astray. They will lead you astray.
Cause me I tell a man what you say. Just check this thing, brother. And if I check Earth is like this, you see? People always want you to be like them. Or people want to be like other people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But the moment you try to be like somebody else, you know, remember you have nothing again, you know.
True. Because you're somebody else.
You understand me? Right.
Mm-hmm.
There is nothing again. So
Yes, sir.
I tell a man whatever me do and say is a part of me.
Yo, you know, see me not do one video where me you know me not have the time and everybody I do the little something so me I say me go so boom now and say me and Lee but we are go dig 2 pieces of yeah man. You know me did it and me have one of the video and thing that move over me done. Me walk with you and did a video upon the road and something. Me post it.
Yeah.
When me take a step like before the day, me see a man send like
Yeah.
he send one comment say boring. He might go and subscribe. I have to tell him say bye bye, my
Yeah.
friend. Bye bye, respect man.
Now go and subscribe.
Yeah, me have to tell him say if you unsubscribe and do what you have to do, brother. Because can't tap him friend do what you have to do. Come in, brother, watch ya. I'm an a ball, you know what say yo, you fi kill him with joke and kill him with joke and you can't pay for joke, boy. Eh?
Let
You
him not
know
know
people
it's
life
not a
a run?
comedy show. Him not know when a comedy show it.
If
Him
you go,
can't pay going.
you know, look so. You know, look so. And because now, me I do my little thing now and you know get fear laugh. Yeah, go and subscribe. Continue.
Yeah,
Cause me
man.
can't help you. Me I do what me have to do for
Yeah, you
survive.
can't make
You
a
have to do
kill
what you have to
teeth
do.
today.
Eh.
Yeah.
Me tell him say tata, my brother. You see you.
And for them a papi show them a look,
You
you
know
know.
have to tell me say a papi show them a look, brother. Me
And
see it,
for
you know,
them a
remember me
look a
watch, you
good
know.
papi show.
Yeah.
Cause look, if you come out with something and make them laugh, them happy. But if you ever try to put out something positive with them to put our ears to,
Yeah.
them not have no time for that. Them a look for you just come out as a little comic every time.
Yeah, man, that the man,
Right
nobody
now,
no
me
want to
make
see
them
nothing good,
know.
brother. As far
Me
as
make
me
them
see.
know. So right now, it not normal, you know, we be there, you know.
Yeah.
It not normal, and you know, like say, you can't get up and just a crap joke by yourself, sir.
You know, must see mad somebody.
All right. So people good at think to say I just saw joke come.
Mm-hmm.
You can't just get up and just give them jokes. So you have to have a syndicate of people where and them can run joke and
But,
somebody find it
but
funny.
look what me I say. Look what me I say, cat. No, you not run no joke then now because I know time for joke. And nobody no want bear with you, you
Yeah.
know. And watch what you have see
Mm-mm.
and give you strength, you know. A man I say, yo,
Mm-mm.
right now you don't give no joke, so I'm gonna left you. Man, me feel like telling you a bag of something
Mm-hmm.
more time, you know. You know? But you see true we not
So
talk
that's
face
why
to
me I
face.
tell them. That's why me I tell you say it's only a fool would want to be something else. So if you want to go and that make you happy, where you not go?
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
understand what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go over where you can get some laugh.
Watch you know.
Cause this will make you happy. So nobody do this for please me. Do it for please you.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah,
Yeah.
not do it for please me. Do it for please you. So anywhere you find so this channel now please your brother, do you have to do there is no why should I hurt? I not go vex. I don't have
Okay.
no problem because me can't be you and you can't be me.
Yeah.
Every man have to seek them own happiness.
Every
Yeah.
time. Every time.
Right, that's up. Right, that's up. So if
But
me come out with something make you happy, that is it. If me come and it no make you happy, it might make somebody else happy.
yeah.
Go and find some more happiness, bro. Don't
A,
hold on yourself to
a real
please
meds
me.
man. Yeah, man, may I tell you, say, brother. Nobody no want to stay there with you when you're done, brother. It's always when you're up, people want to be there with you, brother. Me tell you this. Me
Yeah.
no want them set of people around me, no.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, man.
No want to know if
Me
it
no
you
need the
call
brother.
it
Me no
drain
lie
me
to you.
energy.
Cause, look now. A man a go want me to forward on YouTube now, my youth. See? And I kill him with joke. I kill him with joke. You laugh out the whole of your belly today. After me give you all these
Yeah,
jokes,
man.
you know. Watch ya. You see, tomorrow, me not have a dollar get from YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So
All right.
you don't know if me I make a dollar for YouTube or not. But yeah, ask this, brother. You have not strength me thing. You watch me thing, you never share it. You never comment, you never like it.
Yeah.
You understand me, brother? I not on
Yeah,
down
man.
joke and on
Somebody
go on
have
with
it
you,
for
man.
use, man.
Yeah, man. Go
Yeah,
on
man.
now, go, man.
Somebody have
You
it
see
for
me?
use, man.
Me see
Yeah,
what them
man.
doing, you know. Me see what them doing, you know. Remember, you know, my youth. Remember, say we are watch comedy things for a
So,
long time, you know. Remember Oliver Samuel, Titus,
mm-hmm.
and the whole of them, man.
Yes, man.
Where then they know?
All of them.
Where then they know?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody now look for them now.
All
When you
right.
not go look up the whole joke and
Yeah.
laugh. When you
Yes,
throw
no
them
man. Go look
aside
for
and
them
done
and
with
laugh,
them.
man. I go look for the old video them when me used to give away, used to
Yeah,
laugh from.
yeah. And say, well, I stay
Yeah.
away cat this. Or anything where you going with
Same
now.
way.
Follow you, watch your thing, see them, you like and
Support the
share it,
thing.
give you
Yeah.
strength.
Support this little thing.
Yeah, draw back now and I say, nah, give me no joke again. Brother, I'm not one fear. You nah remember where I
Yeah,
come
man.
from. You see me remember a joke the my man used to be then.
Remember.
Eh?
Mm-mm.
I see you if you sick out no one care for talking, you know, then done with it, you know.
Same way, them cut you off.
Yo, we
That's
roll
why
and
me
fear
tell
you,
you,
you.
man.
You don't know you roll and fear, you know. Me just a do my thing, you know. I mean, I force
So
nobody
for me
to
did I
like me
try
and share nothing and do nothing, you know, brother.
please them. Hey, cool no man. That the tell a man where they say the only thing that when me not sit down on my yard and fret
Yeah,
who not like me.
yeah.
Yeah, man. That not help me, brother.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
That not help me.
Can't. You
That
can't.
not help me, brother. So,
Cause most I
why
like them.
should I go home and sit down and worry?
Most I like them where you get nowadays, you know, brother. You know how much you put your show? For people like you today, you know, and a little something you have to do, you know.
I want to you, man.
You notice the people them where
Sometimes I
get
have to
like today, you have to mad. You have to do all kind of dirty sitting. And them people watch and like.
I feel lift up animal tail
Yes.
and all them something there. You see what I mean, brother?
Yeah,
I
you
mean,
know,
I
here's the
depend them thing
principle.
there, no, brother, because nobody now come pappy short me, you know. Me gonna always be me. Yeah.
You know them catch cat
So,
and do one bag of sitting one night and this you see man
alright,
a share all over the
Yeah,
world.
man. Yes, no,
Share
man.
this game
Yeah,
friend, your
man.
friend, share it back. Cause them, yeah, look what them catch cat
Alright.
and do. You know? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, man.
There's somewhere I live your good and happy life and I make yourself happy. Nobody not pleasing with that, brother.
See what?
Them not pleasing.
See what?
No,
You
no.
mad?
You know, if you're happy, bro, you feel just sad every time. I just sadness for the fear way. So everything where you put out make them happy. Me I look happiness myself too.
Yeah,
me
yeah,
need
yeah,
joke,
yeah.
you know. Me need something to make me laugh too, you know. Me need some of that. Yeah, so who stand up for that? Who stand up for give me that? Yeah. But yeah, quarrel me not joke. Me I give what me have, and me I give what me supposed to give and give what me can give at the time and the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
a man don't know.
Brother.
A man don't know if I fridge you in a freeze and one come out. He might look joke.
Look there.
In business with you?
Yeah, man.
In business with you?
You don't even know if cola kill me. Yeah, you care about me?
But look on the little hustling me I tell you about. I just, you know, me I say, yo, me tired for buy here, man. Lee Bud say, yo, me could go bush and me video it and post, you know. Someone for say, yeah, man, I say, hustling go for 2-1. You know, enough people that even want 2 pieces of yam, man, could have the opportunity to go dig 2 pieces of yam, man. You know?
Yes.
Man, I say, boring. Boring. And you know,
man.
interesting. That little thing is. You can't. Yo, just to show some people the jungle where you got you, for dig 2 pieces of yam, for bring back a yard.
Yeah, man. Just to see back a dollar in your
you know,
pocket.
interesting. That is.
Mm-mm.
And the man that goes say,
Very
worried. The man got subscribe. Brother, you should have unsubscribed long time.
Long time, man.
Yes.
You shouldn't wait till you get some more, man.
You wait too late.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Too late.
Yeah, man. Go y'all look at yo. Right now, me I watch a youth, you know. Me I watch a youth, you know. And me I watch a youth grow, you know. Me I watch a youth grow, cause my channel out there before the youth. And me have more subscriber more than the youth. From me I watch a youth. Him name Tixie TV. So you see me there 6K ad same way, you know, I go 7K, you know. That you would fly past my channel more than 3 times now, you know. Him there around 42, you know. No, you know.
Yes.
Because guess where youth of you don't know. The youth of you go out on road there now. And I prank people. And I make people out there cuss people, parents out there cuss him, trouble people, him do all type of something. So that the joke other people out there now a cuss and a go on like, you know, so them the kind of joke that the people them draw to know. Everybody subscribe and start following, man. You see what me I say?
Put your life at risk.
And that me I show you. But risk a whole heap of time me I tell a brother some man all no man want to stab up the youth, man, all type of something.
Yeah.
So the youth life at risk. And then now watch that, you know. Them a follow I hear what me I say. Them a follow the youth now. If you see the day when somebody stab up the youth, that me feel say, you know.
They know that them a look for?
Yeah, them a follow the youth, yeah. If you see the day when the youth are falling, you know, when somebody mess him up, you know.
Tell themselves somebody a go hurt him.
Yes.
So that them I
So
watch,
make
so
we
that them
follow
I look
him
for.
and watch anytime
Yeah, man.
somebody deal
Yeah,
with
man.
him.
Cause negative in it, you know.
Then me I tell you, man,
Mm-hmm.
that's why them a follow you, man.
Mm-hmm.
We are
Go
no
look for
fool enough.
negative with them, man. Yeah,
We are
man.
no fool.
Mm-mm.
We know.
No,
But
sir.
like all me know, we
Remember we
not
tell them
go
already,
over
you
the
know.
limit there. For Uno.
Yeah, man.
Uno not have to
We are not
subscribe to
nothing,
me.
man. Yeah.
Cause
Remember
me
we
I do
tell them
my
already, you
own
know, we
thing.
rather have 2 real subscriber
Try
more
back
than
more.
have 10 corrupt subscribers.
Then we don't talk to you all the while,
Me
brother.
rather have 2.
Yeah,
Yes,
well.
sir. All the while
Loyal
tell them.
subscriber, brother. When you post something, they watch it and they appreciate what you post
Yeah.
because guess what? This is not what them a follow you for. If you don't downfall for you, or them
Mm-mm.
that you know them just like how the
Mm-mm.
you think straight to him original and them watch him thing and give him a strength. Them
No,
like
man. You
and
have to
them
go
share your
risk
video
life
because
make
them
them
want you
get
to grow.
joke. Yeah, you have to go risk life out there, brother, and give them
Yeah.
joke if you're
A
not
man
do that,
want
you're
you
not
want
do
all
it.
see you know say you go jump off of one plane for one live, you know. The amount of follower you have
Yeah,
a wait
man.
for you for jump.
Mm-hmm. And
Yes.
get rid of you, the last
Yeah,
you
man.
this.
And I wait for you for
Yes,
jump on the
man.
reach ground safe.
Mm-hmm.
Buck up in a something, you
Me I
know.
tell them say, I country this way. When you want the suicide, you know, if I'm but now maybe.
Yes.
You just go around the road, just go jump off in front of one of the fast train.
Yes.
Yes. Nothing can save you.
Gone up the road with the 1 million.
Yes. So if me they and stress out of them, there's something them I go reach out to me. So
Mm-hmm.
me have to try my best to not stress out, cause
Yeah.
look here. This is a home me have, you know, with a wife.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So it's not like when me did there back home, when me leg go loose. Right now, me have to think about
Yeah.
financial maintenance for my
Mm-hmm.
yard. You know what I mean? And knowing myself, so me is a man at home, so you know me have to make sure so things are going.
Yeah.
Me can't get up the phone and give people joke for kick it every day.
Mm-hmm.
Me agree, see, I'm a little thing when me I keep going.
Yeah.
But that man, people know if you think different, me in a different country, brother. Remember, say bills have to pay, me have to live now. You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
One of the things, say. You have to survive, brother. Me have to do my thing out here. Not true, you know, see me dress up in a jacket suit and gone to work. But we have to make ends meet.
I
You
think
know?
I think understanding some people not have.
Yeah, I think them lack of it for true,
Yeah,
you know?
and like understanding what go on out there. Most of the people them to jump up and talk like even the brother would have said boring and this and that. Him don't know half a world walk
Yeah.
around him, man. Him don't know what going on.
You don't know the art.
They're
Not
way
true,
back a
man.
time, brother. Yeah.
Yes.
Because most people, even if certain things look boring to them, we say, yo, a principle that and so them and the thing always stay. Them a keep them on a level and now go over limit and
Yes.
so you know we jump up and attack and I do this and I do that, brother. I'm mad somebody look, brother, when they so. Yeah, man. You look mad somebody for watch when they so, brother. Yeah. You go somewhere else, cause me not you care. Me can't help you know.
Mm-mm.
And if you find me boring, brother, what you do over here?
Mm-hmm.
You do everything left a comment.
Boring, man.
Hey, you never
True,
feel left a
man.
comment. You just look and gone about your business. So when you go to boring now and you're gone, and me want to feel bad? No, brother. We pass that the level.
You know how many things me watch by YouTube, especially since me there so now.
Yeah, cause you have the time, bro. Remember you not have the beat. Yeah, you not have the hip up and down for the up and down around place again, you know.
Yeah.
In the sunshine, you know.
Me have the time. And brother, I watch everything. And you see what me watch and feel like me like.
Mm-hmm.
You see what me not like, me skip it and watch something else.
Yes, sir. You not quarrel with nobody about. Everybody do them thing, brother.
Continue do what you are doing.
Yeah.
Right. As me say, when me not like, you will like it.
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
You don't have to come with no negative, brother. None.
That's
the first thing, me not obligate to you, you know.
Yeah, and at the same time, me did sit down and I watch a movie. And as me see two boy, you look pan them one another one look away. Me no skip the
Me
brother.
change it. Yeah, man. Me change the whole movie, man. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Me got to
Because
one
me no, you
different
know?
one.
Yeah, man, me no like how now
Yeah.
looking on one another face like we not do something what me no like. You see?
I saw this man, I watch YouTube and me see a little man. Him name, man. Then call him, man. Glasses on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Say, a man beat him up and take away him party and him piss up self. So him a go for him brother. I've used them once, you know.
Yeah.
Brother, me nah go do them something there. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me nah go show myself in a them situation there. For nobody get a laugh. So me just listen to what I say and I show you. So when you watch YouTube, you see things where we make the people them pop out them belly, but at the end of the day, brother, me nah go in that crazy sitting there.
Yeah, you know, put
Me nah
yourself
go
on a
there.
certain level, bro.
No, me nah go there, so brother. A man come from phone a ball out, man, beat him up and take away him party and kick him up and say the man I said, now what you do a piece up yourself. Yeah, piece up yourself for you. Say cool on it too. Where you do that for?
A views, man.
Your views.
Hey.
So that show them how brilliant me is. Me now to do that. Me can't just come and chat about that.
Yeah. So,
And that is
so
it. You
him say, I go
understand
for
me?
him, brother.
Say I go for him brother if he come different it.
You don't know, say, what day I have a reason with that brethren too. See?
Yeah.
And the brother tell me, say, like, them left you and go like down a trailer on it. But he must say around 5 of them go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like them a go do one site work down a trailer on it there. So, you know what them have to go live on down there. So he must tell me, say, like, meanwhile, them a go like 5 of them on them. But he must say 4 out of all 5. Come like one man did there. When none of 4 man then not trust.
Mm-hmm.
So the man them a say like every night when time the man them a go to bed and sitting, the man then sleep with either one of the one them did it with one eye open and watch that man. Somebody a watch him. No care when do somebody a watch him. So them after them notice them get up every night like, you know, like him gone downstairs and, you know, man I say every
Yeah.
time them they look over for him bunk like him missing. But
Mm-hmm.
now I say nothing, man, I watch him still, because the man then say they don't really trust him. One night a man see him get up, gone downstairs. So a man take time and trail him. Them see him go down, open fridge, pop out one something, and throw out milk in it.
Mm-hmm.
So when time he must have start mix up now, a man come out and ball him, say, what you do?
Mm-hmm.
Him dash we come. Dash we sitting like down one gully there. You know? I run down one corner. So I brother go on there and like a customer and I say, where you going with? And Ray. He put the rest of man them pan him now and I tell him, say, yo, you know what, say, we see this man a drink out the milk we use make tea.
Yeah.
Him say I lie, the man I tell upon him. So like a man would have say, like the man would have say, Georgie, me see him flick with something down there, so go look at what. Me say when Georgie go down there and come back up, Georgie find the cup there, when throw out the milk
Yes,
in
man.
half tin of the people them milk. I go mix out in a night there, you know. So
That's
every
it.
night the boy get up and eat out the people them food, you know. The man them not trust him long time, you know.
No.
Catch him a drink out the milk.
It come like such, man.
Yes.
The guy people them yeah, the man in brethren and in boss. But the people them are fisher people them go see go catch fish, them a boat and them something there. So if him boss work, his fi work on the engine them and fix the boat them and then something there.
Yeah.
So him and him boss and him need a second go the people them place. The people them have accommodation for them for like on 2 nights.
Yes.
On 2 days. So man say boy, And the base I work and I do them thing and who fi gonna see and boss wife cook a nice pot of food
Yeah.
from dashing and yam and pumpkin and wild banana and two dumpling and you know,
Food up.
fix things up. Whole heap of fish and thing well cook up and nice.
Yeah, man.
Man come in and get them nice proper dinner.
Yes.
Each man, woman husband, woman get fame dinner, the boss get fame, the charge get fame. Everybody get them proper dinner, the man kids them get them proper dinner.
The body comfortable.
Everybody comfortable. Man saying and chairman fame charge, lock off one room. Two of them I use. The man saying a night in wake up. You not see him charge you over there upon fame bed.
Yes.
So man saying I could have walked way in there. The man saying would have gone to bathroom anyway. Bathroom time pass and him not see him come in. So man say, you know, me go look what I go on. Him get up and go look in the kitchen. When him go in the kitchen, him say, charge, sit down in the kitchen, pan high school cut 10 so.
Yes.
And a bun big spliff and stove light up over there, some fire pretty and blue. Pot a boil up.
Yes.
So the man said, him say, what you do? Charge, he look at the man say, you know want something. The man said, no man.